Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily turn off AirDrop on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to the settings, so just open the settings. And in the settings you need to find general. So just open the general. And in the general you need to find AirDrop. So you will find here AirDrop. So just open it, and here you need to choose receiving off. So now it will turn off all receiving from contacts or people that aren't in your contacts, so you won't receive any photos or videos from another iPhone. So it will turn off function of AirDrop. So this is the way how you can turn it off. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.